Payal, would you like to say a few words about your collection today?
Um, the collection was called Palace of Mirrors. It's inspired by this mosaic wall in the Sheesh Mahal in Amer. And what I fell in love with was the pattern, the mirror mosaic work, and I wanted to explore that as a texture. So we've used a lot of mirrors, of course, and leather applique and all, and taken that to into a contemporary Indian zone.
A little bit about your showstopper.
So Tamanna and me have been working with each other for a few months, and she's worn a few of our clothes, especially lehengas, and she's looked amazing. I think what she stands for is a classic Indian beauty in today's time, because like we've heard of beauties like Madhubala and in Indian cinema, and now we have lovely actresses. Some act well, some have great bodies, some have like very contemporary Indian looks. But I think Tamanna has that classic Indian beauty, and she's an actress today. And I think that was perfect for Palace of Mirrors because it's got that old world beauty, but in a contemporary interpretation, which is what I wanted Tamanna to portray.
Yeah, Tamanna, share your experience on the runway.
When I started doing Hindi films, because I was working down south for a really long time, and when I came to Hindi films, it took me really long to kind of understand what kind of clothes do I actually like to wear, and what do I think is fashion, and what I think is style. It took me very long to figure that out, and I realized that you can be wearing the most stunning outfit, and yet you might not be comfortable, and that little discomfort that you're in will always show. So then slowly I started venturing out into stuff that I actually related with. And Payal is of course one of those designers where totally brings out something that I stand for. Beauty, femininity, delicate, that poise, that grace. Totally relate with that, and I think Payal's all collections have that kind of a touch to it. This particularly, when I wore this outfit, it totally blew my mind away. What I liked about it is that being as dramatic as it is, it's yet very dainty and feminine and makes you feel very Cinderella-like. So that's what really endeared me about this costume and this outfit. And I know for a fact that today every actress wants to wear Payal's clothes because it just accentuates what they already are. And a garment can sometimes overshadow that. But Payal's outfit only brings out what the actual person is inside. So thank you, Payal, for giving us clothes that only enhance and make us even more likable, lovable. So and Payal is a fabulous designer, and this is the only beginning of our relationship. She's been very kind to me. I'm launching my own jewelry line today, and the brand is called White and Gold. And as you can see, she's been very kind to me and has let me wear my own jewelry. So the earrings you see or the ring you see is designed by me. And I'm very happy that I'm going to bring it out for everybody to have and for my fans to enjoy. So it's a little bit of an element of my style out for all my audiences, all the people who watch my movies and like my work.
And lastly, how is Bollywood different from Hollywood?
Well, it's all the same, It's all being in front of the camera is. It doesn't matter in what language you're doing, which language you're speaking, which industry you're acting in. At the end of it, the job is the same. It's as difficult, it's as competitive, it's as demanding, and as fun also. So, for me, it's been the same. The only thing I'm looking forward to is better roles, better work, and just general growth.
Did you always have a knack for jewelry designing?
Well, my father has been into the jewelry business for very many years, and I've always watched him and spent time with him while he was doing that. And I always feel that lucky are those people who get to take their passion and turn it to something more. I'm lucky twice. I got to do it once with acting, and I'm doing it again now with jewelry. So yes, this is just maybe a part of me, maybe in a jewelry.
Okay, so what's the end of pipeline? What's happening on professional project?
Well, my next release is Bahubali. Bahubali is an epic drama which is going to be coming out in 3 languages: Tamil, Telugu, and Hindi. And we will be having respective press launches once that happens. you guys will get to know more about it.
Tamanna, with Payal in your life now, has there been a change in your wardrobe now? I mean, in the past, like what you wore and now?
Yes, of course. I think I have to force myself less to wear them. It just comes more naturally now. So thank you, Payal, for making these outfits so comfortable. They look all quite big and fluffy, but honestly, they're really, really comfortable. And like many other outfits, they don't go.
Tell us your idea of fashion.
Well, as I was saying, it was not easy for me to figure out what fashion meant. But today it means kind of discovering yourself in the process of what you're wearing. And also it reflects your moods. I mean, every day you can't walk out in this lovely outfit. Sometimes you might want to just wear a track pant and roam around. But it's about how you carry that track pant and how you carry that kanji or how you carry that out of the bed look, which we all love to be in, of course, because it's amazingly comfortable. So yeah, stuff like that.
Who do you find unique in Bollywood fashion side?
I think a big turn from what she was to what she became is Kangana for me. I love her transformation and I admire her transformation and I'm inspired by that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
One more. Hendrik soap of yours.
One more picture.
One second.
Come.
वही वाला sir.
He's all the kiss only one.
That's one.
Catch up, take a solo.
एक ही बार मौका
Tamanna,
मिला
start from right over here. Yeah, that's
तमन्ना जी
just hold on over here. Right.
मैं मुझे ना सेंटर में रुको थोड़ा
One second on the right.
तमन्ना मैम इधर मैम इधर देखिए ना
Thank you so much. Thank you.